3 stacks and a stack of fireballs. This is the most disgusting thing in my life. I never bought anything better than a stone sword, by the way. Which I could find kind of funny. Not as funny as you, but pretty funny.
You shut your lying face. Pulls and think.
No thanks. I don't usually lie.
Yes.
Mm, no, I don't think so, actually.
I'd appreciate it though. You know vibes.
That's so mean. 69 FOV. Oh, yes, it's perfect.
You're perfect?
Shut.
No.
That's kind of mean then.
That's kind of mean. I
How
thought
much
you
you
don't know
don't
how
love
amazing you
yourself.
are.
Oh, yes. Okay, Soph, you ready for this? Soph, you ready?
What?
Like, go to your base, or go somewhere where you can see your base.
Uh-huh.
You ready? You ready? You ready?
I'm ready. No!
Dude, it's
No!
not even making a dent. Wait, what? Oh, oh, it wasn't rendering in.
No! It looks like Swiss cheese. I love you
Oh, me too.
so much. Like,
I don't
an
want a single
insane.
block to live.
Why?
'Cause it's
You
funny.
spent so hard on. You spent so much time on it.
Well, that's just how much I love you, that I don't even need all this cosmetic stuff for you to understand. Wait, I don't
Mm-hmm.
have enough.
Yes, you do.
I only have 15 more, and there's just some blocks that just aren't dying.
Everything looks pretty dead to me.
You're so amazing.
How?
You just are. How am I missing? My cursor's right on the block. Oh my god, my last fireball for the last block. Oh my god, that was so poetic. You're missing an obsidian on the front. Anyway, Soph, are you even
Oh, I have
ready?
an obsidian.
Yo.
In my chest, I have a singular piece of obsidian.
Soph, are you ready for the most amazing part, though, besides you?
Sure. What?
Look, 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 look.
Hold on. Okay, what?
Okay.
Look where?
I'm like
Oh,
at
hi.
midish.
I see you. I feel to be the most amazing person ever.
Doesn't. Okay, so if you're
Oh.
ready,
For what?
look at mid, look at mid, look at mid.
I'm looking.
God.
Damn.
Wait, 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 wait. I gotta build the walls up higher so I don't accidentally place it on myself and blow up here. Because that would kind of suck.
Oh, what sucks? The fact that we are about to lose our bed in 30
Yeah.
seconds.
No, but Soph, that wasn't even a sixth of what I have.
Excuse you?
Are you seeing this?
Oh my
Oh
god.
my god.
Bro!
It's almost as amazing as you.
Oh my gosh, show your
I
face.
didn't think it was possible.
8, 6, 5, 4, 3,
this is
2.
this is just dumbest shit of my life. So why
I'm glad you're so happy.
is this? And Soph,
Mm-hmm.
I have one more TNT.
Oh? Do you know? Oh. I thought we